Hey, awesome TurboTax accountant, Mark Franke here. This is video number 3 for case number 2. This is for Duke and Marion Ellington. Where we left off was tax due of $11.47. In this video, we're going to look at some credits. We'll have the child care credit, education credit for tuition paid by Duke for his college graduate school, and we'll have a residential or home energy credit for solar panels. So let's get started. First, we're going to go to deductions and credits. I'll choose what I work on. And we'll start with the child and dependent care credit under you and your family. Did you pay for child and dependent care? Yes. This is for Ella. Total dependent care expenses, $2,650. And done. Then we need to put in the information for the business that provided the child care. This is Lollipop Nursery School. Employer ID 268545545. And I'll put in the information and be right back. So I've put in the information, the address, phone number for Lollipop Nursery School, and the $26.50 that was paid for childcare. Continue. And done. Did you pay any 2018 care? No. And it shows the credit of $530. Next, we're going to have some education credits. And this is going to be under expenses and scholarships, form 1098T. Enter your higher education expenses, yes. This is for Duke. Yes, Duke was working on one of these degrees, a graduate degree. Less than half time. And the school, USC. Did Duke get a 1098T? Yes. And I'll enter the school's address, city, state, and zip, and I'll be right back. I'd entered the basic information for USC, and now I'll scroll down and enter in the information below. So I've put $12,500 in box 1, checked box 9 as a graduate student, and continue. Did Duke go to another school? No. There are some additional expenses in your handout for books and materials. So we're going to say yes. And the required books were $670. No scholarships or grants. Had Duke earned 4 years of college? Yes. Did Duke ever receive Opportunity or Hope credit? No. A felony drug conviction? No. And continue. And maximize my education tax break. TurboTax will go and calculate the best possible approach and continue. And it says Duke received a lifetime learning credit of $478. And continue. So our last credit is going to be for home energy credit, which is at the top. Click Start. Yes, we made energy efficient improvements or have a carry forward. Yes, we live together. Yes, our home is in the US. Yes, the improvements were to our main home. No, the improvements were not related to the construction of our main home. We don't have any of these. There were no improvements to windows. No, we didn't receive a home energy credit in a prior year. And we'll put in the solar electric cost of $1,200. No carry forward. And we'll get a home energy credit of $360. On the primary residence, it's also the taxpayer's home. So the last thing we need to do is put in our estimated tax payments. If you scroll down to Estimates and Other Taxes Paid and click on Estimates, these were federal estimated taxes for 2019. Did you pay? Yes. And from your handout, you'll see the Ellingtons paid $250 in every quarter. Our federal refund should be $1,226 after those estimated payments, and we're done. So we'll run through the federal review process. So we've put in all the information for these taxpayers. We have the summary information, and we'll check so the program found one error or missing piece of information, and it relates to virtual currency. This would be Bitcoin or something like that. The answer is no. We'll click continue and then done. And then the last thing we do is click on File, Print and Save for your records, and you're going to save a PDF file. Now, of course, this particular case you're not going to turn in. This is just for practice. But we want the 1040, the Schedule 1, the Schedule 2, the Schedule 3, the Schedule A, Schedule C, Schedule SE, the Child and Dependent Care Form 2441, Education Credits, Qualified Business Income, and $56.95 for the Residential Energy Credit. We can save that as a PDF file. And we're done. Thanks for listening. I'll see you in case number 3. Bye-bye.